Hello guys, how you doing? Well, I'll just give you a quick overview of the He-Man or Castle Grayskull PC that I'm building within the case of Grayskull. So best get it open then. So here we go. Just open up the door back there. So as you can see here, this is not going to be the final design. I'm just using this as the base at the moment. So we've got the HDMI extender. This has got no HDMI in it at all. Just DVI and VGA, that's the one I'm looking for. Got a little USB free card in there. I don't even know why I lost my tongue there. So we've got a little i5 2300 in here, 250 watt Pico PSU, and a 240 gigabyte SSD. So could maybe get a GPU that'll just run off the PCI slot because the cables they're not enough to power a GPU. But hopefully in the future I'll update grade to a Ryzen APU. So let's give you an idea. So we've modified the old NES power supply or power switch. That's what I'm looking for. It's been soldered and connected down to here at the bottom. So we've got the when we power it on, it'll actually light up. This is just temporary. I will 3D print something better to either sit like that or to actually connect to the window. So it's just push in and play. We'll consider adding RGB lighting at some point, but at the moment, really got to finalise the design of how the motherboard's gonna go. I might even put a bigger motherboard in there, push it up a little bit, and put the power supply around here somewhere so it's pretty much connecting. So I've got a few more slots for other things like PCI cards and sound cards. Not really interested in the sound cards. I've always been happy with the onboard. So we've got the power here, which is running off a modified 360 power pack. So let's turn her on quickly, run on Windows quickly. So I'm just going to press the power button. There we go. There you go, the RAM lights up. Signal should come, yep. I'm not going to do anything, but I'm just going to show you it loading up Windows and then shutting down again. Oh yeah, there's my main rig over there in an absolute mess. But this is going to be like a retro streaming PC, just for like all my retro consoles in the other room. So there we go, there's Windows loaded up. I'm just going to press the power button again. It should start the ship shutting down. I do want to drill some holes in here, put some LEDs in here for the hard drive. So that'll be flickering away, giving the eyes effect. Got to clean the case fully, so I'm going to take it all out at some point and just leave it in a bath of soapy water, dry it out, and then hopefully I do want to maybe spray the inside of it either black or silver, or give it some sort of reflective look on the inside. I've got a 3D door that I need to print out, which has got some holes in it for a fan. So that's going to open up and down, but probably be shut most of the time. And a fan probably just back a bit here just to push air onto the processor itself. But I'll show you more in the future. I just wanted to give you a quick idea of what it's like now. And take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye.